What's up everybody? Welcome to a quick DIY video. After you change the battery on your garage remote, it won't work, so you have to reprogram it. So quickly I'm gonna show you how. I have here a clicker remote and garage opener is a Craftsman. So quickly, when you open this right here, after you change the battery right here, let me show you. After you change the battery, you'll notice the two buttons up here. These are the button you push to open and close the garage. And over here, you see another button. So this button right here, you're gonna push it and you're gonna hold it until the light come on. When the light comes on, and your garage opener now, you might have this in the front, but for this Craftsman, it's in the back. So basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna hold this button right here. You click it, see, it stays on. So now you're gonna push the button that you're going to need to work 3 times until you see that light goes off. So, see, I push it 4 times and it goes off. Now I'm gonna push this button right here to confirm it. You see what I did? So yeah, after you do that, really, it tells you that it actually is connected. So let me try to make it work. Let me try to see if it'll actually work. Whoa! That was pretty easy, guys. That's pretty easy as 1, 2, 3. Once you change your battery, you gotta reprogram the remote. And that's how you do it. If you like my videos, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and push the notification button. That way you don't miss any of our other videos.